everyone, today we're going to make fluffy slime. So first you're going to need a bowl, a spoon to mix it in, some glue. You can use any brand. You can use white or clear. Some shaving cream. Some liquid color. Also have natural food coloring. You can use that as well if you have natural food coloring. And some baking soda. These are all the materials you will need. So now we're going to start with our mixing and measuring. So you also need some measuring cups and some measuring spoons. So let's start with our glue. So first you're going to add 2/3 cup. So let's see our measuring cups. We have 1/4, that's too big. We have 1/3. We have 1/2 cup and 1 cup. If you get these, that's usually what they come in. So we have a 1/3. So we're gonna need 2 of these with glue in it. So let's start with 1. Put 1 in here. One. And 2. So that's our 2. Pour it in really good. Still coming out, can you see? Then you'll get the spoon and kind of scoop it all out. Just like that. Okay. Now, we're also gonna need some water. So I have some water right in here. But before you put the water in, you're gonna put about 2 to 4 cups of shaving cream. Mix it in. This one also you will need the scoop to scoop it out because it won't come out on its own very well. So that's 1. This is 2. This is 3 scoops. And you're going to do 1 more scoop. I'm going to do 4 scoops. 4 scoops, just like that. Now, you're just going to stir it up with the glue. Stir it up. Just like that. Just stir it. Get it all mixed up with the glue. You can use a bowl, you don't have to use a tub. And then we're gonna add some liquid color to it, some liquid color paint to it. So just add a few drops, squeeze a little bit in there. Make it, we're gonna do, what color is it? Purple. Sometimes it says magenta and it kind of looks the same, so. And because it's white, it's gonna come out a little bit lighter than the normal purple. It lightens it up just like with anything else. But you can always add more color to it. Even your natural dyes you can add to it. You can add scent to it. You can add essential oils like lavender or stuff like that also to it, the slimes. This is our fluffy slime. So you just keep stirring it till it's all stirred up. And then you're going to add some baking soda and water to it. First, we're going to add half a teaspoon. So let's see. Here's a tablespoon. Here's a teaspoon. Here's half, and here's a fourth. So just this much. So it's the second smallest. And you just sprinkle it in. And you're going to stir that in too. Stir it in. There's my purple. So now we're going to add some baking soda over to my side since we're not using it anymore. Now you're going to do 1/4 a cup of water, which is the tinier one, the smallest one. And you're just going to pour it in the cup, pour it in the slime, and stir it up. Just like that, makes it a little bit watery. It's kind of already trying to form into glue, into slime. Just mix it, mix it, mix it. And now we're going to add the special ingredient. Where's my special ingredient? Oh my God, bring my thing closer. Our special ingredient, which is saline solution, contact lens solution. You can buy any brand. I just bought the CVS cheap brand. And it has to say saline solution. And you're going to use about 6 to 8 tablespoons. So I'm going to start off with 6. You may need to use more. Help me count. Ready? There goes 1. 2. 3. Let's see if we can open this thing. Oh, it doesn't come out. 3. And 4. And number 5. And 1 more. And 6. We did it. All right. Now you're going to stir it, and it should start forming into slime. Starting to get there. So you just keep stirring it, and stirring it. So it seems like it's a little still too sticky, so I usually just squirt 2, 3, 4, and you can squirt more if you need to. If it's still sticky after it's starting to form, you can add more. But the more you add, the less flexible it is. So you want to try not to add too much. But here's the slime right here. See, it's still a little too sticky, so I would add a little more. You can churn it maybe around with our hand and add some more. And then you just keep doing it until the stickiness kind of wears off, which it will. If any of this is to get on your clothes or your floor, this is a messy activity. So you can use it outside or whatever, but if it gets stuck onto anything, you just use a little bit of vinegar and rub it right off, and it should come right off, and then just wash it with soap or in the washer like normal. And here's our fluffy slime. Way different than our regular slime. There we go, fluffy slime. And that is how we make fluffy slime. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.